Welcome to our channel, Artificial Intelligence Apex Academy. Have you ever wondered how to make money with YouTube? Well, today we're going to explore the easiest ways to start earning on the platform. Firstly, create a YouTube channel on a topic that you're passionate about. Choose something you enjoy, like vlogging, cooking, gaming, or beauty tutorials. The key is to make content creation feel effortless. Focus on creating high-quality videos that provide value to your audience. The better your content, the more likely people are to subscribe to your channel. Once you've built up a loyal following, you can start monetizing your channel. One of the easiest ways is through Google AdSense, where you earn money based on the number of views and clicks on ads displayed on your videos. Another popular way to make money is through sponsored content, Patreon, and affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and include special tracking links in your video descriptions to earn a commission for every sale. And there you have it, the easiest ways to make money with YouTube. Remember, consistency is key, so keep creating valuable content and engaging with your audience. Who knows, you could be the next YouTube success story.